And I forgot to show my friend's rock. I'll do that first. So I accidentally like drilled my thumbnail off like with a hole saw and I ripped it off. So I was clutching earlier. Sorry. How cool is that my friend gave me? So that finger over there, the weird one, sorry my hands is dirty, I don't know, I'm gonna wash them. It hurts like freaking like that live part of your nail, you know, like it's it's just swallow it, swallow and process and make it part, you know. Normal is not like normal like that, it's like with the swallow it. So yeah. So in any case, that thing, like I ripped my entire finger off like that, and just a piece of the nail was sitting there. It's freaking gruesome. And the lady where I work took me to a private hospital, and they charged me like 54, they wanted 54 grand, and then they're gonna amputate it. And this other lady came past and she put like, she said, no, I must survive till the next day. Yo, it was hectic. And then such a small thing, I can't believe it. And the next day I went there and she put like this sleeve thing, almost like a balloon, like across it, and didn't do anything, just that balloon thing. And your DNA knows how to grow it, and it grows again systematically in its own goo. And when that thing freaking came off by accident, then I just like passed out. Boop. What a klutz, man. Yeah. Total klutz. Oh, also. It's also. This must be the most dangerous mosquito. Just like if you press too hard and it slips and it goes down all of a sudden. It's a disaster. And you would think you learn somewhere. And that there's like a world like 500 millimeters about away on the outside there is like a total world, and it has like little birds and things, and pay attention, you know, like, and think a little bit and stuff.